Hey guys, so just got done doing dishes, scrubbed out the sink. Now, let's do a disposal cleaner. I've used these before, but I haven't done them for quite some time. So I was looking at the directions. You want to run hot water for a minute. We'll just pretend I did that. And then let it run. Then you take it down to a trickle. Open up one of your tabs. Gonna be loud here in a second, apologies for that. Stick that down in the disposal and run the disposal for a minute. So here we go. Foam down in there, but there is foam. It's foaming up. So sometimes it'll come out of the sink, sometimes it won't. So get it nice and clean. Smells good. I'm gonna run that again here. I haven't done it in a long time, like I said, but that's how you use them and keep that sink clean so it doesn't get stinky. Thanks.